Hey guys, Javin here. How do you know if your hair is long enough for a tubular haircut? Let's find out. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. So if you don't know what a tubular haircut is, I already made a lot of videos on this topic on my channel, so feel free to check those videos out down below. Yeah, but basically a tubular haircut is like a Korean tube lock, similar to an undercut. So the easiest way to tell if your hair is long enough for a tubular hairstyle is by looking at your top hair and seeing how long it grows. The ideal length is you want to grow it right above the top of your ear. So you can look at my left side, for example. All the hair you see here is not really growing from my side here. Similar to my right side, the left and right side, all this hair is coming from my top. And you can see what I mean here. So you can see the left side is actually short, this is just growing out after a few weeks. But the top hair falls to the side, over here as well. So all the long hair here is not growing out from the side hair, it's growing out from the top. You see what I mean? So yeah, with this longer hair, once it reaches the top of the ear, you can see my hair is growing over my ear now. I'm just trying to experiment with a longer top hair, so that's why I'm doing this. But if you're not, all you need to do is for your top hair to grow just above your ear. And once you have that, then you can go to the barber, tell them that you want a tubular hairstyle, shave the side of your hair, shave the back of your hair. You also don't want to forget that you need to grow out the top back of your hair. And what I mean by this is that over here, the hair over here has to be about the same length as the side of your hair here. So it kind of falls down, kind of like a mushroom shape. So just think of it as you're kind of wearing like a hair helmet. Right now I don't have a tubular hairstyle, so the back of my hair is not long. But usually the back of your hair, you want it the same length, which falls down as well. Similar to the left and right side, which falls down. And if you want to learn more about the top back hair for the tubular hairstyle, I'll be linking a video down below. Anyway, so yeah, that's basically it. Just make sure your hair is long enough, because some of you guys messaged me asking if your hair is long enough, and oftentimes your top hair is not really long enough yet. So you really need to be patient and grow out your top hair. Back in 2019, I made a video called Tubular Hairstyle, How Long It Should Be. And even in that video, I would consider that a short tubular hairstyle. If you want a longer and more accurate version of a tubular hairstyle, you want to grow your hair longer. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The reason why so many people are liking the tubular hairstyle is that, in Korean dramas, people wear it all the time. It's also a pretty nice hairstyle to experiment with. If you haven't had a tubular hairstyle, I would highly recommend you to try it once to see if you like it. And as for Asian guys, it's also really beneficial that your side hair is covered up. And, we have the problem that our hair sticks out when it's short. So by covering out or sticking out sides, you can see it's already kind of sticking out. So, with your longer side hair from the top, it falls down, it covers that up and, makes it more presentable. Another benefit as well is that, with your longer side hair here, you can, kind of comb it back. Or, grow it longer and make it a man bun. All up to you guys, it's all personal preference. Anyway, to sum up this video on how to know your hair is long enough to get the tubular hairstyle, I would say about 5 to 6 inches for your hair, about 6 inches like this. But it could also be shorter. It honestly all depends on your face shape, how high your ears and everything are according to your face. Without the top back of your hair, it doesn't really make it a true tubular hairstyle. You want it to look like a mushroom, okay? So just to show you some differences in the tubular hairstyle, you can see here, this is one style, is a shorter one. Or, this one is a bit longer on the sides, so you can see his hair here. That's why I'm saying your hair on the top has to kind of fall down just above the ear, depending on your preference. And this hairstyle over here is also a tubular hairstyle, but with some hair products, some styling going on his hair. If you don't mind adding more hair products to your hair, consider this kind of hairstyle where all the hair that falls onto the sides, you're pushing it upwards. And with your longer hairstyle, you can experiment with curling iron, making your hair a little curly, putting some hair products, changing things up. Just have fun with your hair, because one day, as we get older, maybe when we're 50, 60 years old, we might no longer have hair or have a bald spot. So don't worry too much about what other people think. If you want to get the tubular hairstyle, just grow out your hair and do it. Alright, making my thumbnail, okay. forgot to do an outro, but yeah, if you like this video, let me know down in the comments below and chat back next time.
Lately it's been hard for me, and baby it's been hard on you. Lately you've been hard to read, and we just don't fall through. You haven't been on my mind, for you I don't got no time. I ain't stressing. Yeah, hey girl, how you been? It's been about a year, haven't seen you since. It's crazy, ain't it? How we used to be so close and we were making it. It was us against the world and we were playing it. Plus me and your affection, we were craving it. There's a bunch of things I wanted to let you know, but it's best to leave the memories and let it go. Sometimes I still think of you. It's not that I miss you, but I do wanna kiss you. Don't get me wrong, I'm not asking for your back. In fact, I'm doing quite good. How about you? The good and the bad and all the shit we've been through. And this is for the best, you probably also know it too.